इमीडिएट इफेक्ट्स क्या हैं जब कोरोना फीवर होता है, और उसके साथ ही साथ वो कितनी देर चलता है, उसके इफेक्ट्स क्या है, वो कहाँ कहाँ में इफेक्ट करती है, लंग्स को करती है, ब्रेन्स को करती है, ब्लड सिस्टम को करती है। और इन कई व्यक्तियों में तो ये कुछ पोस्ट कोविड कॉम्प्लिकेशंस भी छोड़ के जाती है ब्रेन में, लंग्स में, जो रिपोर्टिंग में आ रहे हैं, साइंटिफिक लिटरेचर में अवेलेबल हो रहे हैं। ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम वी आर लर्निंग कि दिस इज अफेक्टिंग मोर फ्रॉम मिडिल एज ऑनवर्ड्स अप टू एल्डरली एज ग्रुप। कहीं ना कहीं समवेयर द इन्फेंट्स, चिल्ड्रन are being less affected. We still do not know the answer at times, हमारे, बट ये साइंटिफिक स्टडीज काफ़ी हो रही हैं। इसके लिए जो पहले हमने शुरू करे थे कि लॉकडाउन करिए, सेपरेशन रखिए, आइसोलेशन करिए, मास्क पहनिए, सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग रखिए, हैंड वॉशिंग करिए, ये जो 4 तरीके थे पहले दिन से हमने, गवर्नमेंट ने लागू करे थे आप सबके लिए। डिफिकल्टीज हमें भी हुई, सबको हुई, बट आई थिंक दे आर द बेसिक थिंग्स विच आर रिक्वायर्ड टू प्रिवेंट स्प्रेड ऑफ इन्फेक्शन फ्रॉम एनीवन टू यू एंड फ्रॉम यू टू एनीबडी एल्स। साइमल्टेनियसली नाउ आपने सुना है there are many vaccines available. There are in fact studies going on. Over 250 candidate vaccines are under trials at various stages. सबसे पहले जो ये वैक्सीन्स आए हैं जिसके लिए मैं आपके सामने हूं और बताना चाहूँगा, ये वैक्सीन्स के बारे में I will restrict to what is currently available, going to be immediately available to us. After telling you about these 2 or 3 vaccines which are going to be available to us in India, I'd like to clear few doubts also on it while I'm talking about it. And at the end of it, I would like to have some question answers from all the audience which is available to us here. जो भी किसी के मन में शंका है पूछिए, कोशिश करेंगे आपको तसल्ली बख्श और स्थित आंसर देने की। It will be open forum. First 10-15 minutes I will speak on the COVID vaccines which are available. Next I would like to have on a bit of कहाँ पे लगाना, उसके तरीके क्या हैं, क्या प्रिकॉशंस वहाँ पे लेने जाना है के लिए, और उसके बाद वैक्सीनेशन के बाद क्या आपकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज खत्म हो जाती हैं? नहीं। ड्यूरिंग द वैक्सीनेशन प्रोसेस व्हाट injection safety precautions we have to take or should adopt, that also I'll try mentioning, and then I will open the forum to any question answers from the audience. So this is where we start off. As of today in India 2 vaccines का अंदर या 3 vaccines के अंदर इन्वेस्टिगेशंस और एडवांसेस हो रहे हैं, जो तो गवर्नमेंट में ने 2 वैक्सीन परमिट कर दिए हैं फॉर इमरजेंसी यूज। एक भारत बायोटेक का कोवैक्सीन, दूसरा है सीरम इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंडिया का कोविशील्ड। ये दोनों वैक्सीन्स जो परमिट हुए हैं विद इन इंडिया, इनके ऊपर काफ़ी एक्सटेंसिव रिसर्च होने के बाद ये और रिव्यू बाय स्पेशलिस्ट पीपल, तब जाके गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने, ड्रग कंट्रोलर ने इसको परमिशन दी है। वर्ल्ड वाइड अगर आप देखेंगे यूएस, यूके, यूरोप में 2 डिफरेंट वैक्सीन्स आए हैं प्राइवेट कंपनीज के। एक फाइजर का वैक्सीन है और दूसरा मॉडरेना का है वैक्सीन। यूएस ने फाइजर अडॉप्ट किया है, यूके ने मॉडरेना करा है देने के लिए अपने पॉपुलेशन में, कम्युनिटी में। इंडिया भारत बायोटेक और अभी सीरम इंस्टीट्यूट के वैक्सीन में। फिलहाल मैं ये नहीं आपको बताना चाहता कि ये वैक्सीन बिल्कुल सही है या गलत है। इसके अभी भी हमारे पास डाटा आ रहे हैं, एंड वी आर होपफुल एंड we are working on that this data which is coming in will will result in beneficial effect to the people who get vaccinated. फिलहाल 2 से 3 लाख वैक्सीन दे चुके हैं ट्रायल्स में all over the country, and about 3 million vaccines have been given all over the world as part of the trials. हमारे पास सोशल मीडिया के माध्यम से there are a lot of messages coming that somebody has developed a side effect, somebody has developed this disease following vaccination. Few people have died also, 40 to 50 people. Where you are giving 3 million vaccines, if 40 or 50 people die, it is not considered a side effect. उससे हमें डरना नहीं चाहिए. There may be other causes also. The condition of the patient who had the vaccine is not known to us under what circumstances. Or some side effect reactions will be there थोड़ा बहुत, and popular side effect और जो reactions हमें अभी जो बताए गए हैं वैक्सीन्स के, वो है कि पेन इन दी आर्म, थोड़ा सा सोरनेस, जलन सी होती है, 1-2 दिन में आराम से चली जाती है, हल्का सा बुखार होता है. People who have taken part in the Indian trials, they are telling us this. So I want to reassure these vaccines are also considered safe. Both the vaccines, how effective they are, how many doses they have to be given, 1 dose, 2 doses. In India, we will likely to be giving 2 doses. Effectiveness, it is seen that some vaccines of these are effective about 60 to 70% in the 1 dose only. और इसका efficacy बढ़ता है when you give the second dose to 80-85%. 80-85% या 70 to 85% का जो वेरिएशन है, इसका मीनिंग एक ही है कि out of 10 people if I give this vaccine, there will be 7 who will develop immunity against the disease. Rest 3 may not develop this immunity. Who these 3 are who do not develop, I don't know. There are still questions to be, research is going on these questions. So there are other questions also on the corona vaccine कि ये क्या मेरे को प्रिवेंट करेगा. उम्मीद ये है, yes, it will prevent corona infection. उम्मीद ये है it will reduce the severity of infection. अगर मेरे को हो भी जाती है कोरोना की इन्फेक्शन से, कोरोना वायरस से, हो सकता है इतनी मेरे को सीवियर इन्फेक्शन ना हो. उम्मीद ये भी है कि ये वैक्सीन अगर मेरे को इन्फेक्शन हो भी जाती है, डेथ और डिसेबिलिटी जिसे हम कहते हैं, it will be less. It will not be as severe as is seen in among patients who did not have the vaccine and who were earlier victims of coronavirus, and some of them also who we lost due to this disease. So based on these things, ये हम उम्मीद रखते हैं कि ये वैक्सीन will be efficacious also, but more important, it will help us develop immunity. Now, ये immunity क्या चीज है जो हम सब बात करते हैं? एक वर्ड, हमारे बॉडी में कोई भी चीज बाहर की आती है, whether it enters our bloodstream or through the nose, mouth, or any other opening or skin, the body recognizes it as foreign body and starts fighting it out, or developing an army which will fight this foreign body. This response, or in form of an army within the body, is termed the immune response of the body. This immune response is in terms of antibodies. One is an immediate immune response in form of IgG antibodies. The other is a long-term immune response of IgM antibodies. With these two antibodies, when they develop in sufficient quantity, the body is able to first contain and then control or even kill this infective agent. So therefore, it is very important that body responds and develops an immune response to corona. Coronavirus itself is a viral disease. It's a virus. It's an mRNA virus. Technologically, मैं scientifically आपको ज़्यादा नहीं बताना चाहता. It's a very small molecule. It has ये गोल सी चीज है बॉल की तरह. उसके ऊपर इसके स्पाइक्स होते हैं, जैसे अपने पास टेनिस बॉल है, टेनिस बॉल की शेप में है ये, और इसके जो बाल निकल रहे हैं उनको हम स्पाइक्स कहते हैं. Those are spike proteins. They are basically proteins which induce a response. So scientifically जो community है, it is developing at various levels to develop a vaccine. And what is important is that the vaccine which is developed, it should induce a very specific immune response which is sustainable. Means वो हमारे बॉडी में उस एंटीबॉडीज को सस्टेन करे और रहे और हमें प्रिवेंट करे. ये चीज जो इम्यून रिस्पॉन्स की है, ये तब होएगी जब हम इस वायरस को अपनी बॉडी में हम इंजेक्ट करते हैं, आने देते हैं. अब इसके वायरस कैसे आ सकता है? एज अ कोरोना डिजीज जो आप सबने सुना, इट यूज्ड टू बी ट्रांसमिटेड बाय सो कॉल्ड नेजल सिक्रीशंस ड्यूरिंग कॉफ, और वो हमारे थ्रोट में जाके रहता था, वहां से फिर लंग्स में जाता था, ब्लड स्ट्रीम से लंग्स में जाता था, और वहां पे जो उसका फॉर्मेशन थी, इट इज सपोज्ड टू compromise the immune system and the host immune system and the travel through the blood into the lungs and the brain, mainly these two areas. जो वैक्सीन में वायरस यूज होगा वो थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है. उसको हमने कंट्रोल में लिया है साइंटिफिक कम्युनिटी ने, एडवांसेस ने, जिसे हम कहते हैं एट्यूनेटेड कोरोना वायरस, विच विल बी यूज्ड टू डेवलप द वैक्सीन. सो दैट मीन्स वायरस वही है कोरोना का, बट उसमें वो क्षमता नहीं है, वो कैपेबिलिटी नहीं है टू कॉज अ फुल एंड फ्लोरिड कोरोना डिजीज. जब आपको वैक्सीन मिलेगा, जो आपका रिएक्शन होता है या सोजन होती है, बुखार होता है, it's a replication of that corona disease in a very, very small and minute levels, not a full-blown disease. That is how the body will develop immunity. This is very important. In some cases, जैसे जिनको कोरोना डिजीज वायरस से बीमारी हो चुकी है पिछले 6 महीने में, कईयों को एसिम्प्टोमेटिक रही, कोई सिम्टम नहीं था, कईयों को थोड़ी सी माइल्ड हुई, हल्की सी हुई, बुखार हुआ 2 दिन 3 दिन, खांसी रही, अपने आप ठीक हो गई, आपने दवाई सपोर्टिव मेडिसिन ली और ठीक हो गई. कई लोग थोड़ा नेक्स्ट लेवल पे चले गए, जिनको मॉडरेट सीवियरिटी के साथ सांस में लेने में तकलीफ हुई, लंग्स कॉम्प्रोमाइज हुए, ब्लड में लेवल्स बहुत हाई, ब्लीडिंग शुरू हो गई, और सीवियर डिजीज में कईयों को जिसे हमने सीवियरिटी जब हमने कैटेगरी में ले आए, सीवियर डिजीज में उनको ब्रेथलेसनेस काफ़ी हो गई, सस्टेन लंग्स डैमेज हो गए, उनको वेंटिलेटर पे रखा, और एक्सट्रीम केसेस में वी हैव लॉस्ट अल्टीमेटली ड्यू टू लैक ऑफ breathing, or maybe some microclotting which has taken place in the lungs or in the brain. So these were the stages of the corona disease which take place. And it was mainly affecting the middle-aged and the elderly. Among the elderly, above 50 to 60 years of age, people who have some form of blood pressure problems, cardiac problems, kidney problems, cancer patients, जिनके immune system already compromised, or anybody who is above 80 years of age. They were at very high risk of developing this severe diseases. So vaccine हमें यहाँ पे क्या मदद कर सकता है? This has been one of the biggest questions which we need to answer. Slowly, in next 2-3 months, hopefully we will get the answers. So this was on the what the corona vaccines are. जो इंडिया में वैक्सीन्स हैं भारत बायोटेक के और सीरम इंस्टीट्यूट के, वो आपको जो अभी प्लानिंग है गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया की, दे विल बी गिवन थ्रू बाय under 2 doses. The first dose and the second dose will be 2 to 3 weeks or maybe 4 weeks later. Because in first dose, it is known that there may be development of approximately 60% immunity. Second dose, it may help us to develop approximately 85% immunity. This vaccine contains virus which in sufficient quantities which will induce a good and strong immune response. जैसे मैंने आपको पहले बताया, जो लो एसिम्प्टोमेटिक केसेस थे, mild cases थे, we have observed that they have not been able to develop adequate or no antibody at all. Some of them. There have been cases reported that antibody development after a mild or asymptomatic infection is not there. So those people are still immune to, they are still susceptible to corona infection. This vaccine should address this issue. So at times, how to know that do I need that vaccine or not? If you have had corona, ideally, there is an antibody test. One test is just detecting an antibody, it is present or absent. This is called a qualitative test. If it is present, then we are confident we have had some form of corona infection in the past and our body has responded and developed antibodies. My next step after, if my test is positive for antibodies, ideally would be, I must be able to quantify it. कितनी level है मेरे circulating antibodies जो हैं, वो किस level पे हैं और कितनी होनी चाहिए. Are they sufficient to prevent infection? Are they sufficient to prevent disease or limit the severity of the disease if I get it? These things are still under studies. Data will be coming out as the vaccination program begins. By next week, Government of India should launch it nationwide, and I presume and I believe it will be the largest vaccination program in the world. To vaccinate all 130 crore people may not be possible immediately, जो हमारी population है, but they will do it on various prioritization. That prioritization will be first the doctors who are working in hospitals who are in direct contact with treatment of corona patients. Second would be all the paramedical staff in the hospitals or healthcare workers who are involved with this care of the treatment management of corona patients. Simultaneously, any other frontline workers, school people who are helping in corona detection, case detection, recordings, anywhere they come across corona patients, those frontline workers will be there again the first priority for vaccination for by the government. Third priority will be all the elderlies above 60 years of age, especially with those with some disease ailments which can compromise immune system. After that, once these people are covered, the government may start immunizing other category of people like who have not had corona, who have had corona in the past, children, adults. who ये जो है ये तो गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से हो गया. What about private? Possibly again, as US and UK and Europe have authorized Pfizer vaccine, Pfizer company and Moderna to market their vaccine, this permission may come to market them in the private also. Of course, it is likely to be costed. What is the cost? That government will decide, whether it is 1500 रुपये, 2000 रुपये per dose, or maybe 200 या 300 रुपये. That economics will dictate the cost of the vaccine in the private. इसके जो side effects हैं, I will again tell you. Yes, we are expecting some side effects. Please, आपका बाजू में दर्द रहेगा, swelling आएगी, रेडनेस रहेगी, सोरनेस रहेगी जिसे हम कहते हैं जहां पे इंजेक्शन लगा, बुखार भी आ सकता है. इससे ज्यादा by and large majority of the people should not have more than this, and this should not last more than 2 days after vaccination. There will be cases, especially where one odd case will go into a severe side effect. Those have been known because of the virus. It may anticipate, there have been reported cases of Bell's palsy या जिसमें कुछ और का किसी कोई syncopal attack हो गया, किसी का severe reaction हो गया. These are being reported, and the percentage is very less. So it is reassuring that these vaccines are considered safe and they are effective. So I would like to remove all the doubts. I take this opportunity of this medium and through the HMD family to remove doubts in most of your these things. That if vaccine should be taken, ideally. If in doubt, take a vaccine. If you're sure that you have antibodies and they are in sufficient quantity within your body, after getting it duly tested, then you can avoid a vaccine. But then again, as of today, we are not sure how effective how long will this immunity last, whether through natural infection of corona or through induced infection of corona by the vaccination method. Whether the immunity will last 3 months, whether the immunity will last 6 months, or maybe 1 year. These questions will get answered in about next 3 to 6 months' time. And it will help us making our decisions much more simpler and easier. People who are working with corona patients, I would advise them to go ahead with vaccination. With all these questions, there are also other questions of how this vaccine and where will it be delivered. Let me put it this way, that Government of India through Ministry of Health and the state governments are making extensive arrangements for delivery of the vaccination program through all its public health facilities. Vaccination centers have been earmarked where people who will give the vaccination have been earmarked. They have been given duties. They have been trained in terms of vaccination. to adopt safe injection practices. This is where one of the safe injection practices which we promote is that besides the right injection with the right arm ensuring to the right patient, we also say hand washing. I also promote that the injection which is used for injecting this vaccine should ideally be auto disable syringe, which gets destroyed, single use, which thankfully government of India has accepted, and I'm sure these people are now using auto disable syringes. There is proper disposal of this syringe after the injection has been given as per the bio-waste medical management rules, which are already in force. The all the vaccinating teams of the government sector are being trained in these practices. There are various posters which are making the people aware what to expect at the vaccination center, how will they go about it, and after the vaccination, once they go home, what needs to be done. These are the most important aspects of COVID vaccine, which everybody must know and be reassured that they are meant for hopefully good of the humanity. It will help us control the corona infection. It will help us. How does it help us control the infection? Because the vaccine will induce an immunity level in your own body and thereby improve the immunity level in a community. If there are 130 crore people, and let us say 50 today 10 to 15 crore people have been infected who have suffered from corona disease, and simultaneously I would say another 10-15 crore people are also having asymptomatic or mild disease. If they have developed immunity, my immunity means about 30 to 50 crore people are already immunized. With the help of vaccination, I would like to increase this to about 80 to 100 crore people. At that level, the corona disease, the coronavirus will not be a public health problem. We will be able to handle it. If it takes place, it will be of mild infection and it will be under control. Another most common question is, which I have as a doctor, I have been asked many times is, sir, मैंने तो कोरोना वैक्सीन ले लिया. Now मैंने दोनों डोज ले ली. Am I safe? Do I need to continue with precautions? Why not? Corona infection has brought a very paradigm shift in the knowledgeable and literate people across the world and in India that health is of prime importance. You have to remain healthy and you have to make efforts to remain healthy, in which hand washing, wearing a mask, social distancing are important factors. If anyone who has not got corona today, probably he has observed all these 3-4 things which are part of prevention of corona. Mask not only helps infection coming to you, it also helps infection going away from you. So please continue using the mask in public places. Wash your mask if it is washable every second day or every day in the evening. Wear a fresh mask next day. Hand washing is one habit which many people have now got used to it. It has given us immense benefits as far as your health is concerned. you have to continue it. Social distancing, especially with people who are not in closely related, family or anybody else, is definitely a desirable thing. I'm sure even post vaccination, when these measures will continue and should continue to be adopted by you. I think I've covered most of the part of COVID vaccine. I would like some questions from the audience now for interaction. And I would like to know more also in case I can be of any help anywhere in removing the doubts. Please feel free. I would like to give more time to the audience. And one more thing, I would like also to thank HMD for helping us promote safe injection practices. Thank you, HMD. Yeah, I would like to have some audience questions from the audience. Yes, there are
Hi.
hundreds of questions. Yeah,
Um, if you have any questions, kindly please raise your hands on Zoom so I can unmute you. We don't want a lot of disturbance, so I can't unmute everybody. So if you have any questions, please raise your hand on Zoom through Zoom.
Hello.
yeah.
Yeah, good afternoon, sir.
Yes, good afternoon.
This is Gautam from Jaipur.
Yes, Gautam, how are you?
I just wanted to know about the side effect of Pfizer vaccine. Recently, a doctor died due to thrombocytopenia. What was that?
See, as I've mentioned, the Pfizer vaccine has been given to over 1.5 million people in US and in trials and post also as a especially in US, even the Pfizer vaccine second dose is being given after 2 weeks.
Mhm.
Out of 1 million, you have one or two cases of side effects like somebody dying, somebody dropping due to syncopal attack or developing Bell's palsy. There have been cases. They will be reported. Don't expect 0% no side effects. We
But
will. There are reasons. There are maybe reasons. We don't know the conditions of those people, preconditions which existed, who were given vaccination. Those things, once they are published, the preconditions or any concomitant uh, things which went down, I'm sure it will be investigated by Pfizer and other health authorities in US. That data still is not available. Gautam.
okay, thrombocytopenia. I think it is due to COVID.
Yes, yes, it is due to COVID. It is one of the features which take place in as far as corona infection is concerned. Believe me, corona infection the is is invoking an individual body response. कईयों में इतना बुरा होता है कि it leads to thrombocytopenia or it may lead to hemorrhagic disorders, microclotting. The clotting pathway goes haywire, or and other extreme. You don't need to give anything to anybody. I have treated two patients recently last month, a mother and a child, 10-month-old baby, corona positive. Mother, again, I treated. I couldn't give them any medications. No Fabiflu, nothing except paracetamol to both.
Mhm.
Mother was breastfeeding the child. Today,
Mhm.
2 months later, touchwood, they are out of it with no residual effects.
Mhm.
Whereas middle aged, elderly, we have known where there is a delay in diagnosis or non acceptance of the diagnosis, fifth to sixth day, जहाँ पे आप जाने देते हो, and you don't start these medications or preventive measures, whether it is in form of steroids or whether in form of anticoagulants. Those are the people who have gone in for these thrombocytopenic and clotting disorders, and where the stage of disease has worsened. There are also people who have come back home on the 14th day, and by 18th day, they are back in hospital with severity of the disease and probably died by 30th or the 40th day. So we really don't know about this disease, how the individual is reacting to it. There are so many questions still unanswered. Gautam.
HRCT लेवल ये एक महीने बाद भी 16-17 तक रह सकता है क्या?
See, HRCT level counts जो हैं, they are guidelines. So they are again not sacrosanct. It always says HRC, the initial, if you do the CT counts, when you do a RT-PCR test, it was supposed that beyond 24, you're considered a likely more safe or a mild to moderate disease you will have. Whereas less than 24 was considered that you have a high viral load. Similarly, in HRCT, it is the number of lobes out of 25 which get destroyed, which are opaque, which have pneumonitis due to microclotting. A figure of, say, people who have come out have a figure of 8 out of 25 lobes non-functional. There are people who have gone into severe disease where the number of lobes have been destroyed. It's the percentage of lungs which have been destroyed and how you're being supported at that moment. So again, not too much of emphasis on HRT-CT count, neither RT-PCR CT count. They have to be taken in conjunction. They have to be read in overall clinical picture. You cannot just on one factor say he's got a mild disease or he's likely to worsen. Yes, people have worsened with lower counts also.
We can hear you.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hanji, please go ahead.
Sir, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Sir, one doctor says so COPD patients not use COVID vaccine.
Possibly, yes, also, because in a COPD case, there is already obstruction in the airway. So definitely based on the overall condition, that doctor would be in best position. What is his peak flow at that moment in the lungs? Whether any inducing any viral infection may worsen the COPD. Definitely, that doctor will be in the best position to advise who is seeing the patient. As a general rule, by and large, all these compromised patients, we still don't have enough data to whether we should cover them up or not cover them up with vaccine.
Sir, how many days between first dose and second dose required, sir?
Between first and second dose, the Pfizer vaccine is being given at 2-weekly interval. Bharat Biotech and the Serum Institute vaccine in India, they have proposed a 4-week interval. Can you hear me?
Please go on, Mr. Satish, with the question.
Yeah. Good afternoon. I'm Satish Shah from Mumbai.
Yeah.
I would like to know those patients who have undergone the treatment, those who have received Actemra injection or Remdesivir, they are already facing a lot of side effects of those injections. So is it really safe for them to undergo this vaccine?
See, vaccine will give you an attenuated virus. That means a virus whose infectivity has been contained or killed, whereas antigenicity of the virus is there. The response of injections, remdesivir or anything is different. It will all depend on the immunity levels which he has already. Has he been able to get a antibody response generated within his body? What is the quantum of antibody? Does he need any support? It's as good as giving a second dose of the vaccine, which will give a potentiating effect on the immune response. So yes, he may require a vaccine, definitely.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hello, Mr. Satyanarayan ji, you may ask the question, please.
Yes, Mr. Satyanarayan.
Hello.
Yes.
One question is, Dr. Rathi told that after taking doses of vaccination, all precautions should be continued.
The precautions must continue, definitely. Yes. You must continue the precautions of social distancing, wearing a mask, especially in public places where there is crowding. Hand washing is a good practice and habit to adopt as a routine practice at home. Definitely. Definitely.
These practices we are following now. Then what is the use of taking vaccination?
The vaccine will help you to, these practices can prevent you to a small extent, to a certain extent. Vaccine adds, this is another tool which is available to you. You take one medicine for blood pressure or two medicines for blood pressure, tell me. Right? When you add the second medicine, it helps you have better control over the blood pressure once you take 2 or 3 minutes. Similarly here, one tool is available is hand washing, distancing, preventive. These are non-pharmacological tools. Another is vaccine as a drug. It helps you to be better prepared to not to get corona infection. In addition to all this.
Thank you.
Well, I hope I have convinced you to go in for vaccination in addition to these tools.
Good evening, Dr. Saab.
Good evening, Ji.
Dr. Saab, like in many other medicines, where it is contradiction is given for taking other medicines or for food diets and all that. Do you think for this vaccine also, you after giving vaccination, you have to take precaution for like smoking or eating something different or drinking habits?
Yes,
how it is
definitely.
going to that?
Definitely. Smoking as it is compromises the lungs.
Okay.
So anybody who's got corona, his lungs are already compromised and smoking will add to that compromise. Means lungs will go down faster. His breathing capacities will. So smoking is definitely not advisable. Second thing, drinking alcohol. Ideally, one should resist from definitely drinking this alcohol post-infection also, as well as at least for a month or so. And even after getting vaccination, at least for about 3 days, 4 days, or maybe up to a week before you become okay and you have developed your immunity levels. So as it takes about 2 weeks or 3 weeks for the immunity to build up after vaccination, it would be advisable to resist from taking alcohol. Definitely, because alcohol tends to lower the body's immune response.
It means from one dosage of injection to another dosage of injection, better to prevent from drinking. That's
Ideally, yes.
Ideally,
Yes. Ideally, yes.
Okay. Thank you, Dr. Thank you.
I know difficult for many people around the world, but
Yes, because of different
very
things,
difficult.
different
Very
countries. So it will be difficult. Thank you, Dr. Thank you.
Hanji, Mr. Sanjeev Kaulji, please go ahead.
गुड इवनिंग डॉक्टर साहब संजीव कौल
Good evening. Hello. How are you? कैसे का?
बस ठीक है सर
बताओ
बस बढ़िया।
सब ठीक। हाँ बताइए सर।
Doctor, my question is, why is it to maintain different temperature for different vaccines? Like for Pfizer, it's -80 degree, and other vaccines it's 2 to 8 degrees. What is the difference? Why so much cold chain difference?
See these
And
cold
my
chain.
another backup question.
Hmm.
Yes, Doctor, sorry
हाँ
to
जी हाँ
interrupt.
जी हाँ जी हाँ
My
जी।
another backup question. My another backup question is that how many antibodies one should have uh, in their immune system so that he doesn't have COVID again? What should be the like?
Hmm. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Kaul there are two questions. I'll answer the second first. How many anti? The data, that is what when I mentioned quantifiable test. We do not have sufficient data as of now to really quantify how much antibody level is necessary to prevent infection for how long a period. How many viral loads per per ml or antibody levels should there be developed over a period of time and be sustained. This data will start coming in about 3 to 4 months or 6 months time. People are working on it. There is no published data as far as quantifiable. Qualitative wise, yes, qualitative test whether the antibodies are present or not, yes. That data sometimes is available, something is available even on Indian patients. These tests are not so routinely available. Antibody tests are available, they are costing, and they are the qualitative tests. Quantitative tests, very few laboratories may be doing it. So quantifiable way, I will not be able to exactly tell you that yes, आपके blood में इतना cut off level होगा, so you will be prevented from corona infection for a period of 1 month, 2 months, or 3 months, or 6 months. Okay. Second question was on your why the difference in cold chain requirements. These are as the corona vaccines, based on the corona vaccines which have been developed by individual companies, whether Pfizer or Moderna, there or the Sputnik or Bharat, AstraZeneca, the properties which have been inculcated or induced in the virus, because see today scientific advances have been so much that we've been able to do the genome sequencing of the coronavirus, and they've been able to identify genes which are responsible for various things. So exactly I won't be able to tell you the exact reasons where the things have are how they have compromised on the vaccine, the temperature requirements vis-a-vis the efficacy of the vaccine. This would be based on the genome sequencing and the development of that individual vaccines which have been done by these private companies.
Sir, I think that both the vaccines, they are for Moderna as well as Pfizer. They both
Yes.
are mRNA vaccines.
Both are mRNA spike protein
But the
vaccines, no
temperature
doubt.
for Moderna is
But
minus
the
20
methodology
degrees.
of production is slightly different.
But I tell you, for
They
Moderna,
are both
it's
mRNA.
minus 20
Within the
degrees.
mRNA, what genetics editing they have done, I'm not aware of as of now. It's
Because
not in public domain.
I find it quite.
There is speculation. It is all speculation. There is no scientific literature which has been published, peer reviewed. Yes, reports are being reported by the media. That is not. I will not like to go about it. Comment on them.
सर मेरा ये पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है कि अगर दोनों mRNA वैक्सीन है मॉडर्ना और फाइजर, तो फाइजर में -80 डिग्री कोल्ड चेन चाहिए, मॉडर्ना में -20 डिग्री कोल्ड चेन चाहिए.
करेक्ट.
ऐसा क्यों है?
So this has to be on the terms on which, like CDC Atlanta and US federal agency has given a broad guideline that the efficacy the vaccine has to be above more than 50% efficacious. So similarly, to develop this efficacy, some compromises may have been done while developing this vaccine. I think it'll be worth talking to the team which has developed these vaccines. I am not very confident of this as of now.
Right. Right.
Yeah. Anything else? किसी को कोई और question?
We have couple more
Yeah.
participants.
Hello, doctor. Yeah, my name is Priyadarshi. I am from Kolkata, actually. I just wanted to know, like, few minutes back, you just told, right, that this vaccine will provide us a preventive measure for the person so that he or she may not get affected from that from the coronavirus. Now, let us suppose, unfortunately, a particular person gets affected by this. So, will this virus will act as a medicine, or it is just a preventive? Preventive vaccine for that person?
This will be as a preventive vaccine. It will hopefully, even if he gets infected by the main virus, that is the original virus which is circulating outside in the environment, the severity of the disease is anticipated and hoped for it will be less. Let me put it this way. Because there will be certain antibodies which are circulating in the body, which will help to control the viral load. What has come up is the concept of viral load, in the body. Today, we say we use a mask, the viral load transmitted or received by the person is much less. Mask acts as a barrier. So how much viral load you are exposed to, how much virus enters your body determines your probably your clinical status going forward once you get the disease.
Okay.
So the lesser the load, less severe the disease. You will pass over it. Antibodies will help you reduce this viral load. Infection.
But anyways, it may get, it may take some time, right, to get these vaccines. It will take, obviously it will take,
yes, definitely.
quite a lot of time it will take. But unfortunately, in that moment, like, right, if anybody gets affected, right, so in that case, whether it will, it will help to cure the disease, or it is just
These are billion-dollar questions. We are still awaiting the answers.
Okay.
Fine. This only time will tell us what these vaccines will do. I'm sure the vaccine teams have tried to answer this question in terms of prevention, in terms of severity of the disease, occurrence of the disease, in terms of severity of the disease, and in terms of ensuring that there is no disability after the disease has taken place. Disability in form of death or any permanent disability की lung damage हो गया, brain में damage हो गया, spleen damage हो गया, heart में damage हो गया, कई reports आ रही हैं इसकी.
अच्छा.
Dr. Saab, my question is,
Anji.
Is the naturopathy also helping in solving this problem, and is it dying down by itself as the number of cases has gone down in India, and when we see all the people sitting in the Kisan?
Sir, the exact answers are not available to anyone as of now. There are all speculations. Naturopathy may have contributed to control the severity of infection. Let me put it this way: spread of infection, I doubt it. And why the cases are going down in North India? Why not in South India? Kerala is still reporting 5,000-6,000 cases a day. Delhi has come down from 9,000 cases to less than 900, or even up to 500 to 600 cases a day, 700 cases a day.
And even all the gentlemen sitting for the Kisan Andolan sitting without any.
Yeah, they're like हो सकता है, yes, but because the cases are less, हो सकता है the viral load is less in the environment, they are unlikely to infect each other. We are hoping for that. And hopefully many of them would have developed some immunity also, low level of infection and immunity coming up.
Will it die down by itself also?
Inshallah, yes. Oh, that's the best possible hope we all have. But yes, it will take time. If it does, it may not, it will exist. See, corona as a disease will exist. People will suffer from continue, but they will be hopefully in numbers, and the severity of the disease will be in such that it will become a routine like common cold.
Right, but as it has been told that by having this injection, you get immunity for say 6 months, but then again you have to get it done again for after 6 months or 1 year.
देखिए ऐसा है, first corona survivors came up in February, March, April. In India it came up in March, April, May. आज 6 महीने हुए हैं. We really don't know. More than 6 months data is not, more than 6 months data is not available to anyone in the world. आप अपने आप ही सोचिए, फरवरी से तो जब अवेयरनेस शुरू हुई, डाटा थोड़ा बहुत कलेक्शन हुई, मार्च में एवरीबडी वोक अप, आज तो 8 महीने हुए हैं सर. 8 महीने में डाटा you cannot I cannot tell you that immunity will last more than 1 year. I can only say 3 months, 4 months. As long as we continue, now time is the greatest factor which will tell us where we are.
My question was, in case we get vaccinated and then again, how do we know that we have to get it done again?
See, like we advocate a flu injection for the elderly above 60 years of age every year, every winters, before the flu season. Fine. And based on that, similarly, that data has been studied. Flu has been going on for so many years. By next year, we will know where we stand, whether we need to dose yourself with fresh corona vaccine or not. 1 साल तो इसको निकलने दो सर, थोड़ा तो स्टडीज आने दो, क्या है कितना. These things will come up once the quantifiable antibody levels are studied and published. कि कितनी देर तक available हैं corona antibodies, are they effective at the end of 6 to 8 month period. आज ही एक रिपोर्ट पढ़ रहा था कि लॉन्ग टर्म इफेक्ट है एंटीबॉडीज का 6 to 8 months. 8 महीने तो अभी कोरोना तो हुए. Maybe from studies from China, Wuhan, can once published, they will tell us, because उनके यहाँ सबसे पहले हुआ था दिसंबर में.
One last question.
Sir,
I am 70-year-old, and our whole family is almost allergic to harvesting season. When the crop is cut, we get all people are having asthmatic allergy. So, what precautions are required those days?
Ideally, if you can have, wherever you are, you can have a room here, wherever you are housed, staying in internal environment. If you have filters installed, that air filters, and your air is cleaner, you will have less exposure to allergens. Number one. And number two would be a cleaner environment. Please work for and promote a cleaner environment around yourself. That's the only thing. Because depending on what is the allergen which is causing asthma, if it is pollen, is it grain, is it something else? It all depends on that.
Thank you very much.
Welcome, sir.
Good afternoon. This is Arun Vora from Jabalpur.
Yes, Arun. कैसे हैं?
Good afternoon. मैं बढ़िया हूँ सर. सर मेरा एक सवाल था, जैसे आपने बताया कि पहले डॉक्टर और नर्सेस और हेल्थ वर्कर्स को वैक्सीन लगेगी. People like us who are consignee agent and wholesaler, medical devices wholesalers and medical retailers, these will be covered in health workers, or there will be something different for us?
No, it may be different.
Because we are prone to, because meeting a lot of people and all.
I agree with you.
Yeah.
Let your state government announce their prioritizations, जो भी है, depending उनका कितना vaccine availability होती है. And if not, see, I look at it in a state, they may cover their health workers in about 15 days, frontline and first. After you will get it after 15 days, or something will be made available within 20 days. Let me put
Yeah,
it.
because we also won't be meeting all of the.
You may
all
not
sorts
get
of
it on
patient,
day one. Let me
Yeah,
put
yeah,
it
I know,
to
I
you.
know, I know that, I know
You may
that.
not get
but-
it on week 1. You should
Yeah.
get it by week 3 or 4.
Yeah, yeah,
So 1 महीने के अंदर आ जाना चाहिए मेरे ख्याल
Yeah.
से नंबर आपका.
yeah. Sure, sure. We have asked our state government to include us in as a health
Yes.
worker.
Yes.
Let's see what
I'm
happens.
sure they will prioritize. See,
Yeah, yeah.
they lot of let me assure you, lot of homework is being done by the center and the state governments as to the numbers, कितने vaccines किसको करना है, registrations हैं, numbers कितने हैं hospital में workers, कहाँ पे कितने doses आएंगे. Let me tell you, for last 1 month, there have been extensive homework is being done. This government is working. Let me put it this way. It is doing its bit.
Right. Thank you, sir.
It is not that it is just left to the nature. Sorry.
Hello.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Sir, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you, sir?
Absolutely fine. कौन बोल रहे हैं? I can't see the names, so
My name
that's
is
why
Deepak
I'm.
Singh.
हाँ जी.
My name is Deepak Singh.
Okay, Deepak. Hello.
I just wanted to ask
कहाँ
that
से
you
हैं?
heard about the new state. I'm from Faridabad.
Okay, great.
Yes.
Hmm.
So I just wanted to know that we have heard about the new strain in UK.
Yes.
So we have got around 80 cases in our India also.
In India, correct.
So this vaccination will help us in that new strain also, or this will cover only the existing one which we are facing?
So the strains will come and go. They are based on various geographies. Each geography, whether
Okay.
it is UK, Europe, South Asia, or maybe America, South America, will have a slightly different variant of this virus. Fine. The vaccines will remain the same possibly, and they will be effective against all variants also. This again, time will tell whether the strains are so strong enough or so prominent that no immunity is induced by the one which has been developed. It is like the flu strain. The H1N1, whether H5N1, N5 strains, they are being dictated by the WHO every year. What vaccine, the vaccine must contain what strains for that new year which is coming up. For that 2020, it was different strain. 2019 was a different strain. These things will only time will tell whether the UK strain will require a different modification of this vaccine. Vaccine will remain the same. Whether they'll develop a vaccine against that particular they may include this definitely in this strain in the vaccine. Vaccine will remain same.
But as on date,
as on date,
okay. As on date, we don't have that idea.
We don't have that idea. अभी तो 10 दिन तो हुए हैं वैक्सीन डेवलप हुए यार, अब कहाँ पे आपको आइडिया आ जाएगा यार. ये कोई वो तो है नहीं चपाती बना दी मैंने, चपाती बना के दे दी, लंबी बना दी, गोल बना दी यार. ठीक है ना, टाइम दो यार हर एक चीज को साइंटिफिक कम्युनिटी को.
ठीक है सर. ओके सर, थैंक यू.
Thank you, Deepak. I think, does anybody has any other questions, or should we wrap up the session?
Any other questions?
I
you can
I would
always
like to ask the last question, Dr. G, if you allow me.
Yes, sir. हाँ बताइए जी.
So अभी I think 5-7 vaccines आ गई है अलग-अलग countries में.
बहुत हैं.
So are we expecting newer and better vaccines in future?
Why not? Why not? Let me ask you one question. Moderna vaccine is manufactured by is a German vaccine developed in Germany. Will you be surprised if I tell you Germany has not authorized use of Moderna vaccine? Do you know that?
No, I didn't. I didn't know.
Think it over. Whole world is wanting Moderna vaccine, but the host country where it is being manufactured, developed, does not want has not yet authorized use of Moderna. Can you think of an answer? I probably know. Don't.
Because they might not trust it.
आप बताइए। मैं क्या बताऊं, इसमें आपका आंसर आ गया कि 7 वैक्सीन आई है। देयर आर 250 वैक्सीन अंडर डेवलपमेंट। टुमारो scientific advances may be such, and I'm telling you, top level scientific advances are being done in biotechnology to develop vaccines. There will maybe a better vaccine coming up in 6 months' time.
So we can be optimistic.
Absolutely. See, science has advanced to such a level जो 7 साल लगते थे हमें कुछ पैंडेमिक को कंट्रोल करने में। पिछला पैंडेमिक जो कहते हैं फ्लू, स्पेनिश फ्लू हुआ था 1920 में, 5 से 7 साल चला था। अभी तो अब 1 साल ही हुआ है हमारा, और उसमें हमारा वैक्सीन भी डेवलप हो रहे हैं। आप ये देखिए कितना टेलीस्कोप हो गया, टाइम एडवांस साइंस ने कर दिया।
Oh, thank God for that.
Yes. Thank God you are born now and not born in 1918.
Hanji.
So let's hope for the best.
Yeah, we'll be
Advancing
optimistic. Okay, anybody else for one last question or anything? Okay, I guess not. I would like to thank Dr. Ratti for his time and all his knowledge and sharing all his knowledge with all of us.
Thank you very much, everyone.
Hearing from you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, and thank you HMD for organizing this. Love
Thank
you
you.
all.
Pleasure's all ours. Thank you.
Stay safe. And
Yeah,
be happy.
thanks everybody for joining. Be safe. Thank you. Actually, Dr. Ratti, we have another question if you're up for it. No, I think it's chale. एक second, let me try.
Okay.
No, I don't think so. I'm sorry for the false alarm.
I think Mr. Rajiv Nath has some question possibly.
Sure. One sec. Yes.
प्रदीप सर, मैं आपकी कॉल नहीं बंद कर रहा हूँ, आप लीजिए, चौथे 5वें दिन जरूर कर लीजिए वैक्सीन लेने के बाद।
No, all good. Thank you so much. Very enlightening for all of us. And we will also hold a follow-on session shortly as we go along, and people will get more curious experiences and queries coming forward. So Dr. Ratti and others may possibly be coming forward and helping us to understand this better.
Yes.
Thank you so much, everybody, and wish you a good day.
Thank you very much. Good day.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Sohal. Thank you for organizing and coordinating all this. Very much grateful to you.
Thank you
people.
so much, Dr.
Mr. Pradeep, I'm also grateful to you. Thank you so much, Pradeep.